Hey guys, Saul here at Xtreme. Today we have a 2024 Maserati GranTurismo that we just finished. This one got paint protection film, got a level 2 for the full front end. Got the windshield tinted in Formula 1 Stratos, and also got the sides and back window with Formula 1 Stratos 35% and 70% on the windshield. But what I want to talk about today is actually the hood. So the car got the hood, fenders, bumper, headlights. On this one, we need a special roll to protect this hood. If I were to use your normal roll, which is a 60-inch, it'll probably end up somewhere here. So this one, we have a 72-inch roll that will have this hole, in one piece. You'll see it on the video. Just wanted to bring it up. It's something that not a lot of shops will do that. Here, we decided instead of stretching the film to, get it all the way over there, we decided just to order a 72-inch roll. So got the hood, fenders, bumper, headlights. What else? I think that's pretty much it. And then the window tint. Check out the video. It was a nice process, nice project. And then if you have any questions, let us know.
From the block to the back, with my back, she moving mad. I got packs in my rap. I got packs in my rap. Packs in my rap. I got packs in my rap. From the block to the back, moving mad. Moving mad. Moving mad. Moving mad. Packs in my rap, I got packs in my rap. Packs in my rap, I got packs in my rap. Packs in my rap, from the block to the back, with my back, she moving mad. I got packs in my rap. I got packs in my rap. Packs in my rap. I got packs in my rap, from the block to the back, moving mad.
me go low, 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 low.